Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus, and welcome to 80 Burnside Avenue, Unit 3L, located in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. This is a recently updated and renovated third floor apartment that features one bedroom and one bathroom. And before I begin the walkthrough, I'd like to remind everybody as always to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel so you can keep up to date with all the listings that we publish on our site, and of course any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you very much. So we're going to begin the walkthrough of this recently updated apartment in the centralized room over here. Features the entryway to your apartment right through there. And to get through here, you just got to go up to the third floor balcony, which allows you for some incredible views of the street over here. And you can also see the off-street parking available to you in the lot right in front. And you also have plenty of street parking as well if you want to have any guest over. Once again, you got the updated apartment. Features brand new coat of paint all throughout the apartment, as well as a brand new tile flooring installed not too long ago. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity of an apartment, so please make sure you jump on this deal as soon as possible. You also have the centralized space gas heater right over here, and you have a plug-in window AC, brand new, available for tenant use. You don't see that every day. Very generous of the owner. And you also have an additional closet space in the corner over here for any kind of extra storage that may be necessary. Of course, some of the other features that come with this apartment include coin-operated laundry available to you in the basement. There's also an optional storage space available to you in the basement as well. Pets are good to go in this apartment with a monthly fee. And as stated before, you have one off-street parking spot available to you. So lots of additional features with this apartment. Alright. Next up, we'll go ahead and look behind me at the Galley Kitchen, located just to the left of this room. And of course, this Galley Kitchen has also been updated and renovated. You have the newer cabinets up above and below over here. And you also have the newer countertop space with the brand new stainless steel single bin sink with the spray nozzle. You also have a couple of outlets underneath these cabinets for any kind of plugins you like to have. And right across from that, you have the brand new stainless steel appliances, which includes the brand new medium-sized stainless steel refrigerator. And right next to that is the brand new stainless steel 4-burner gas stove and oven with the brand new stainless steel exhaust fan up above that. Looks great in here. Lots of new additional features. All right. Next up, we'll go ahead and look at the bathroom, which is right next to the Galley Kitchen. This bathroom, of course, has also been updated and renovated, which includes the brand new sink area right over here. You got a small sink with a cabinet underneath, and the brand new mirror vanity up above that. Nice and wide open. And as we make our way into the bathroom, you'll also notice the brand new, recently installed shower and tub. Very nice to have. Nice and wide open. It's a little bit of a smaller bathroom area, but as you can see, houses all the necessities needed. Cool. Last but not least, we'll go ahead and look at the bedroom. Right over here. Got plenty of space in this bedroom for either a standard size or queen size bed, whatever may suit your needs. It will also allow you for a couple extra pieces of furniture in here, so you got plenty of room to fit it. You have a couple of outlets for any kind of electronics you'd like to have in this bedroom. As you can see, aligning the walls. And of course, the fresh coat of paint and brand new tile flooring are both featured in this bedroom as well. And you got a pair of windows, one that has a great view of Woonsocket. Before we look at that, I'd like to show off the closet space that you have in this bedroom as well for some additional storage right behind that doorway. Very nice. Give you guys one more shot of the room and just how much space you have in here. And real quick, this window has a fantastic view of Woonsocket from up above. A great view of the skyline. Really great opportunity in this apartment. Couldn't be any better. So once again, this is 80 Burnside Avenue, Unit 3L, located in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel to keep up to date with all of the listings published on our site and any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you.